Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the benefits of honey and using it on your skin. And I thought it would be the perfect time to introduce you to a brand called Farmacy. So Farmacy is well known for using honey in their products, and so I thought it would be a great time to feature them on my channel. So we're going to dive deep into the benefits of honey, and I'm going to demo 3 of their products in this video as well. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. If you're returning to my channel, I appreciate you. Let's get into this video. So guys, when it comes to honey, one of the great things about honey is you can use it on any skin type. If you're sensitive, if you're oily, if you're dry, if you're acne prone, it doesn't matter. You name it, you can use honey for it. And one of the things it's great at making your skin glow. Some of the benefits of honey is it's anti-aging, it's antifungal, it has antioxidant, it helps to heal the skin and prevent infections. It's gonna clear all those bacteria and anything that's happening in the skin and help to push that all out and make your skin nice and smooth. So it's all these properties that make honey the perfect thing to put in skincare products. And so I believe that's why Farmacy has used this in so much of their products and along a lot of their product line. And it's doing so well. People love it. I experienced great results from it with my skin as well. So I'm going to be featuring 3 of the products from the Farmacy line. The first one is the honey potion. This is their warming mask that you put on and then you wash off. And this is the first one here. The other one I have is their serum, which is the Honeymoon Glow AHA serum here. And this is a night serum that you can use. And then the last one is their ceramide moisturizer, which is this one, which is the Honey Halo. This guy, oh guys, I absolutely love this, especially for the winter months. This has been an absolute savior to me. So I actually started on Farmacy through samples at Sephora. Unfortunately right now, because of COVID, you can't get any samples from Sephora. I received over Christmas actually 2 of these beauties, which is I think one of the best ways you can get into the brand. This is a sample set. I think I featured it on my Sephora haul. It is called the Farmacy the Beehive, and the reason why it has 2 of the products in it, as well as a sample of the cleansing balm. So you're getting actually these 2 products in this one box, and it's a great price point as well. It's $37 for this box, and you really get to get into the brand, and that's 37 Canadian. I'll put the US equivalent here or in the description box. So you're getting those 2 products inside, and I would say that's the best way to get into the product. And the reason why is it's not cheap. So the honey potion, which is this little guy, I can't remember what the cost of this by itself, but the bigger size, which is I think 1.7 fluid ounces, is 50 Canadian. And I will again put the prices here or in the description box so you can see what they all cost. So let's get into the mask. So this is the honey potion mask, as I just mentioned before. If you're looking for firmness, elasticity, if you have issues with wrinkles or any aging and you want that glowing skin, this is what this is for. I'm going to show you how we're going to put it on. So let's just open this guy up. So I have a little applicator brush here. I'm going to show you inside. It's really nice and thick. So I'm going to take out a bit. So the thing with this, it goes on clear, but as you start to work it in your skin, it changes in terms of the consistency. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Well, I'm just gonna apply it to my skin, and then you will see. I think that's enough. Let's just work it in. Do you see how it's starting to change the consistency? And it's already starting to warm up. I think I need a little bit on my forehead. So the packaging says to leave this on for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna apply it, and then we're gonna set a timer, and I'm gonna wash it off, and then we're gonna move on to the serum. Okay guys, so I've just finished applying the mask on. It says to leave it on for 10 minutes. So this is the honey potion mask that's on right now. You'll feel the warming sensation happening, but it's not gonna burn or tingle. It's just like a warmingness that you're gonna feel on your face. I didn't have any irritation or anything like that using this product. So I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes, chill a little bit, and I'm gonna wash it off, and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay guys, so the 10 minutes is up. You've seen it's actually kind of dried down quite a bit. It's not as white as it was looking before. I'm gonna wash my face off and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just washed my face off, and for me, I like to do a warm water first, like lukewarm water, and then go in with as cold as I can take it on my face. So I'm going to just follow up by using the serum next. And the benefits of the serum, as I said before, it's an AHA. So this serum in particular, again, the full size of this, which I believe is about 30 ml, is 70 bucks. Like, it's high in price point, but as I said, the best way to be introduced to this brand would be through buying the gift set. It is pretty good because of the level of AHA BHA that is contained in this product. It has 14% AHA BHA. That's gonna have in glycolic acid, lactic acid. It has some willow tree bark extract as well, and all of that good stuff. So what that is going to do, it's obviously an exfoliant. So it's going to exfoliate the skin, both lower and surface level. And so it's going to target the hyperpigmentation, your dark spot. It's going to leave your skin having that glow that obviously we are all looking for. It's going to have the fine lines, the wrinkles, and it's going to reduce the size of your pores. So again, it's back to the basis of the honey, which I talked about earlier in the video, and why this is really going to help. For this product itself, I do experience some tingling when I put it on, so I'm just going to show you the consistency. So let's hopefully I get enough out. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. So it's more creamy base than other serums that you would have seen, and that's what it is. I'm just gonna tap it on, and it does give like a tingling sensation, similar if you've used any kind of vitamin C. It has that same kind of tingling sensation, and this is something you're using at night. And that's because of the AHA that's in there, and you want to follow up with a heavy amount of moisturizer, and that is why putting the ceramide moisturizer that they have from Farmacy is going to really do very well. If you don't have a moisturizer like what I'm about to use, you can always use your own moisturizer. Now my skin, obviously I've used other direct acids before, AHA and both BHA, so my tingling sensation doesn't last very long. It's actually already gone by the time I rub it into my skin. The next day, when it comes to any kind of AHA and BHA, you definitely want to follow up with a sunscreen. It doesn't matter the weather, you want to always put your sunscreen on to protect yourself, especially when you're using a product like this that has that amount of AHA or BHA in it. So once it's not tacky anymore to the touch or anything like that, I like to move on to the moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I'm going to be talking about today, as I said before, is the Farmacy Honey Halo, which is this guy right now. So this is their ultra-hydrating ceramide moisturizer, and I remember telling you guys about this as part of the Sephora haul. So this is the consistency, very thick, and is absolutely wonderful the winter months. I'm going to put it on and I'll tell you the benefits of it. So this is about as much as you need. It comes with this nice little spout, and it kind of sticks onto the top of the jar, which is really good and convenient. You can't lose it. And this is it. You can either just put it on your hand like that. So when it comes to the winter months, my skin really gets extremely dry and I need a heavier cream. And this guy, like, it's like whipped butter, but in honey form. The smell is actually, I would find, way less scent in terms of the honey than is in the mask. This one is very, very faint. It's not overpowering at all, and it goes on really well. So even though it's thick, it's not tacky or sticky. It just absorbs so well into the skin. And I would say dry, oily combination. Like, I'm oily, and usually, you know, like, I try to go away from using like heavy creams like this, but honestly, like, it just goes into the skin. Can you see it? I hope you can. it just goes into the skin and it just absorbs, and it just feels so damn good, guys. Like, this thing is magic, especially for the winter months when your skin is extremely dry. See what I'm doing? I'm just putting the rest of it on my hands because it's so hydrating. Like, it is absolutely so hydrating. If you are dry, you definitely want to try this product out. But even for myself being oily, I absolutely love this product. When I go to bed at night and I wake up the next morning, my skin just looks and feels so good. Like, I like to take it all the way down to my neck if I can. Just want to show you. So this is the result of the 3 products being put on my face. You see, if I can come closer so you guys can see. Now, in here where my pores are, you know, my any kind of redness that I'm experiencing, you know, it's just a great routine in terms of adding honey to your routine and getting the benefits of that glowing skin, which we are all looking for. We're all looking to glow and look better, especially as we age. And I believe that these products and the combination of all of them together do a great job. Even if you just wanted to stick to the Honeymoon Glow Beehive Set, which is this guy here, and do the honey potion and the Honeymoon Glow and follow with your own moisturizer that you have at home, this would still be a great buy. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you got to see some of the benefits of honey and how it can really work for your skin, and also what Farmacy has to offer. This is not a sponsored video. I just really like the brand and I wanted to show you how you can incorporate into your routine. And again, I want to say thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. If you're returning to my channel, I appreciate you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.